Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic dropdown in Excel. So first, let's open Excel. So in here, I created an Excel file wherein it says month, day, year. It's just for example. So if you're going to type in the day of the week, which is Monday to Sunday, so it will be actually time consuming if you're going to just type in the days of the week one by one in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a drop down list of the days of the week. So what you need to do is to click on data, that's on the upper right part of your screen, and then click on data validation. So once you click the drop down, you'll see data validation option. On any value, click the drop down on the right part of it, and then here you'll see different options that you can select. So in my case, I'll select list, and then you can actually type in Monday to Sunday in here on the source. So let's say Monday, and then put a comma, Tuesday. So I'll just put this one first because I'm going to show you other option than this. So once you click OK, it will have a drop down in here that says Monday or Tuesday. So you can just select this and it will be placed on the selected columns or rows. So other option is, so let's undo that. Other option is, so you can create a sheet too. And then in here, I already typed in Monday to Sunday on the first column in here. And then go back to sheet one, select the column on this list to be placed, and then select on data validation. Select the list, and then click on source. And what you need to do is to click on sheet number 2, and then control, select all of this. So as you can see in here, it created a formula that just click OK. And then as you can see here, once we click on the drop down, it will show up the list that we created or the drop down list that we created a while ago. So you can just select this, and here you can select this and that. And that's how to create dynamic drop down or list in Excel. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.